In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. First of all, I want to give you the best gift of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, which is called from Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope all of you are fine and happy. My name is Fawad, son of Muhammad Tariq, grandson of Muhammad Sadiq, and one of the students of International Muslim Educational Foundation. Today, I am here to talk about happiness. Many people today are not as happy as they wish to be. Technological advancements have made our life easier and more comfortable. We enjoy higher incomes and better standards of living as a result of progress in development. But happiness has remained a rather elusive goal for many of us. Our pursuit of material wealth and worldly possession has robbed us of the contentment that we long for. What is happiness and how can we obtain it? Happiness can be defined as a state of mind characterized by feelings of contentment, satisfaction, and pleasure. Many people always think that their achievements, education, career, family, and financial security can make them happy. But later they find that happiness is not always the end result. We can own in life in a beautiful home, afford a lavish lifestyle, wear designer clothes, or drive expensive cars, and yet we may be unhappy. It's misconception to think that having lots of money can make a person happy. What then can provide lasting happiness? Abraham Lincoln once said that happiness is not that you are happy as you make up your mind to be. Happiness is a matter of choice. We can make a choice to be either happy or sad. Being satisfied with who we are and what we have can make us happy. Unfortunately, there is no shortcut for happiness. So we should first set our goals and determine the areas that are important for us. Then we should strive to attain these goals. We should make a conscious attempt to change what we can and accept what we cannot. What then can provide lasting happiness? Abraham Lincoln once said that happiness is not always the end result. Abraham Lincoln once said, "You are as happy as you make up your mind to be." Happiness is a matter of choice. We can make a choice to be either happy or sad. We can make a choice to be either happy or sad. Being satisfied with who we are and what we have make us happy. Unfortunately, there is no shortcut for happiness. So we should first set our goals and determine the areas that are important for us. Then we should strive to attain these goals. We should make a conscious attempt to change what we can and accept what we cannot. Being optimistic can aid in increasing happiness. We always think that life is going to get better. It helps to have a positive outlook. Dwelling in the past and ruminating about something went wrong can only lead to depression. At the same time, we should never compare ourselves with others. It will only lead to unhappiness. Happiness starts at home. Therefore, we should try to improve our relationship with our parents and siblings. Research has shown that happy people always live longer, they are healthier and more successful. They also enjoy more fulfilling relationships with their parents and their relatives. And they are respected by others. In a state of boring over our pains and sorrows, we should keep ourselves busy and find pleasure in small things. This was my information about happiness. I hope you receive some information about it.